Hello and welcome to Inbox Agent. I'm so happy to have you on board. Let me quickly walk you through the dashboard and show you all the important features. This is your main inbox with a familiar Gmail design. These are all of your conversations. The highlighted ones are ones that have not been opened yet, and the grayed out ones are ones that you have read. The little green robot icon means that your AI agent has written a response and it's waiting on your approval. The AI agent does not respond to promotional or spam emails. It can recognize when it's a real email and it only responds then. We have some icons at the top of the inbox. This means mark as read. This means mark as unread. I can check this email, mark it as unread, and it will highlight again. And this icon means delete. Let me send myself an email so we can explore how it looks on the conversation side of things. All right, here I am in Gmail. I am sending to the email address that has been hooked up in Inbox Agent. My subject line is going to be, how do I start a new Autoblogger workflow? And I'm going to write, hey, just looking for the steps on how to start a new Autoblogger workflow to my WordPress.org website. Thanks, Tiki. Let's send this through. Inbox Agent has received the new email, and this icon is spinning, means that the AI is reading the email and writing a response. It is checking your knowledge base and FAQ. It is getting the right answer to this email. The answer is now ready. I can click on the email. I can read it here. Scrolling down, this is the new response. I'm going to read it through and make sure that it's correct. And this portion is not needed, because it's assumed that my user has already connected a WordPress website. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to fix up this email. There we go. Before I send it through, let's take a look at these icons at the bottom. This rewrites your message. So if I made a bunch of edits to the response, I can click this button and it will fix all of my grammatical errors, all of my spelling mistakes, and clean up the text. This icon labels your email so you can better access it later. And this icon shows whether the email response is going to be added to your knowledge base or not. If it's highlighted green, this specific answer to the email question will be added to your AI agent's knowledge base so it can use that information for future responses. This is how we train the AI agent to make it better and better as time goes on, how it gets used to your style, your tone, your formatting, and how it begins to understand the answers to your most common users' questions. For some simple emails, you can just turn this off so that your knowledge base is not flooded with irrelevant data. But this is a good email answer to a common question, so I'm going to turn it on. Now let's click send. That email goes into the sent folder so you can read about the conversation later. At the top of a conversation, we have these icons. You can star an email from here. You can mark it as spam. You can send it to trash. And if this is a connected Gmail account, you can open this email in Gmail by clicking the icon here. In order for this icon to work properly, in your settings, make sure the Gmail index, so this input right here, matches this number in your Gmail URL. If you have multiple Gmail accounts signed in, Gmail will open to that account only. Here are a few icons at the top of the page. This is your subscription details. If it's highlighted green, your subscription is active and you will be getting new conversations into your inbox and the AI agent will respond appropriately. This opens up support. It sends an email to support@inbox-agent.com. You can also request features by clicking this button. This goes to your settings page. This shows you if there are any errors or not. If it's not working as expected, you can click on this icon and see what's up. And this takes you to all of your user profiles. Let's click on this button here. On the profiles page will be all of the people that have started a conversation with you. I can click into one of the profiles, change their unique avatar within the system, update the customer name, the customer email address, and then provide extra customer details to help the AI craft responses. On each new email that is received, This customer profile section is updated automatically with the AI. It reads the email, it picks out unique customer details, personalized information, stores it, and then uses it for future responses. But if you want to help out the AI, you can also add in some manual details here. When you are done on this page, click the Save button to save your changes. And I hope you enjoy your experience with Inbox Agent.